Since announcements should be your #1 way of communicating with all of your students in the course, let's show you in this video how to set up a new announcement. Click on Announcements in the Course Tool menu on the left to bring up the list of announcements that are currently in your course. To make a new announcement, click on Make an Announcement. Here you're going to have the option to add a title for your message and then add a message within your announcement. Inside the message box, you would simply type whatever you would like them to see. Now we're going to show you a few options that make our announcements enhanced within Canvas. You can use any of these formatting tools up here, and then you can also add any kind of links to the announcement so that the students have a direct link to some course content and other information. The first link that we're going to create is one to the Week 1 module. If you look over here on the right hand side, you have options for inserting content into the page. If I click on Modules and then click on Week 1, it goes directly into the announcement as a link for the students. If I'd like to add another link to, say, the Webster web page, I can click the Webster web page, add link here, type in the address, and say Insert Link. This makes an automatic link out of the word that I used there for the Webster University website. If I'd like to add a file directly to this announcement, I can come back over here to the Insert Content, click on Files, go to Upload a New File, browse my computer, find the document, open it, and upload. This will upload the file into my course and put it directly into my announcement. So now we have 3 links to 3 different types of content for the students to see in your announcement. Your options are to delay the posting, or users must post before they see the replies, or you can enable a podcast speed. Click on Save. We'll send your announcement out to all the students. One of the great new options in announcements is the fact that you can add and record video and audio messages for your students. To do this, click on Announcements to get started. We're going to do Make an Announcement here, add a topic title, click in the box to get ready. To get started on your media upload, you're going to click the green button here to record or upload media. You're going to have to click the Allow button for the Flash Player settings to coordinate with Canvas, and this may take a minute or two. You should be able to view yourself in the box and then simply click on the Record here to get started. Hi everyone. Click on the Save button to render your media and attach it within your announcement. You'll see a little box with an explanation here. This is what's going to be in there before your actual video is there. You can add any attachment or delay the postings and then click Save to enable it for the students to see it. Remember that it will take a couple of minutes for the actual media to render, and so it will be a black box until that point, and it may tell you that you have to wait a few minutes for it to start. Now you can view the announcements that you have just created by choosing Announcements from the course tools on the left. There are several options available in announcements, and I'm sure everyone will be pleased to know that you can now edit announcements. You can edit, delete, or lock an announcement by first clicking on the announcement, then clicking on the gear icon at the top right and choosing the appropriate item from the drop-down menu. Starting with the Edit option, note that you can change the title, change any of the wording, add content, and change the settings. Be sure to save when finished. Students now have the ability to make comments on your announcements. This may prove helpful to both you and the students for clarifying some information, so you will want to consider this before locking all of your announcements with the Close for Comments button. As we go back, if you would like to quickly delete or lock the announcement, check the box to the left of a specific announcement and click the appropriate icon, Lock or Trash Can, at the top of the screen next to the Make Announcement button. Students will see the announcement in their recent activity stream, and you can view all announcements under the Announcement tool to the left. Please note that announcements cannot be cloned from the master, so they will need to be set up in each individual course.